What's going on, everyone? Welcome, Rabid here, and Zil mining is about to get quite a bit more profitable, about 15% to be exact. So I woke up this morning, T-Swift did post a screenshot coming out of Telegram from an announcement by K1 Pool. I then went in and joined K1 Pool's Telegram, and we got the announcement right here. Now, a little background story. If you've been following kind of what we've been doing with Zil mining, Mining Pool Stats is saying 1% across the board. When we were talking, we actually found out from T-Swift and K1 Pool and stuff that a lot of pools were actually charging 15 to 20%. So that began testing out multiple pools on who's going to be giving us the most amount of Zil. And it did work out that K1 Pool, EZILME, and Crazy Pool were the top pools to get the most amount of yields coming from Zil. But now it is looking like it is getting cheaper to run a Zil mining pool. So this could open up the option of more pools entering the Zil mining game, or it'll just become a lot more profitable based on the current pools that we're already mining on. So let's just quickly have a look at this announcement. So K1Pool.com, mining pool, and if you're using this pool or plan on using this pool, they are pretty much one of the top pools for a lot of our current coins, ETC, Octa.Space, Zil, Kaspa. They got a bunch of pools out there, and they are a very good pool. I do have a referral link down in the description. Now, K1 Pool does say, attention, dear miners, in early November, there will be an update of the Zil network, which will affect mining. In this regard, from now, we cancel the increased commission of 15%, as well as all bans and restrictions. So I'm not sure what all the bans and restrictions really are, but I can definitely see the 15%. So they're going to be dropping the fees by 15%, which means 15% more rewards should be going into miners' wallets. So that's a pretty big deal here. So as well as all bans and restrictions, whatever those are. And in the future of the Zil network update, there will be only 180 nodes receiving rewards. So the pool cost for node maintenance will drop significantly. It is strongly recommended to stop running around the pools after the update. Concentrate on your favorite K1 pool. Obviously, that's just a little thing coming in from their own Telegram here, but I do recommend K1 Pool for mining a lot of your coins here and to maximize the profits and reduce the influence of luck. Who wants to support the pool? Please don't switch mining on K1 from the main coin. This will give the opportunity to develop the project further. And then they just got a bunch of security stuff, no ads, K1 Tool app, and just a whole bunch of stuff that they have going on for their pool there. But this is a pretty big announcement. So personally, I have been currently mining Zil on Crazy Pool. It is another pool that I enjoy using myself, but I have been getting the past 24 hours based on my hash rate. My workers is the V1H and the X16 from Jazz Miner. 149.38 coins is what I got in the last 24. That's a potential 15% is an extra 22 coins. Now, I imagine Crazy Pool will follow suit on this. I don't see any announcement or anything coming out of them yet, but I think they're going to do this as well. It would be pretty much dumb if other pools didn't. But right now, we can officially state that K1 Pool is dropping their fees 15%. So we're going to see a lot more. So 22. So if we can add an extra 22 Zil here, in the previous bull run, it hit about 23 cents. So 22 Zil, that's an extra $5 a day just from the fees that we may be gaining on these pools, dropping that 15% and gaining it to the miners. So that's a pretty big deal. $5 a day increase if Zil hits that 23 cent mark again. So that does wrap up this video. Just a quick one, 15% extra Zil mining rewards is coming at least on K1 Pool. Again, if you're not yet using their pool, check out that referral link down in the description. I will see you on the next one. Rabid out.